Today we have a gumball machine bank and a bag of double bubble gumballs.
Yeah, let me show you.
Okay, open it up. Let's see what's inside.
Yeah, it had no tape on it.
Oh, okay.
Open it.
Gentle.
Yeah, gentle.
Can you pull it out?
Okay.
Pull the box.
Hold the box. Hold the box. Maybe you need to hold it.
Okay. Ready?
Maybe it's going like me.
Slow. Here. Slow. Wait. Okay, we got it this far.
Yeah. Ta-da!
Wow. Take it out the plastic.
Yeah, let me take the one bit off. Whoa.
Slow.
After you do this, you break it.
It is a carousel bubblegum machine. And it is a little heavy. Glass. And you put money in here.
Turn it and you turn it.
And then you open it from the bottom. Open. Does the bottom come out? Let's see. I
Yeah.
have it open. How does it come out?
I'll show you. What's this?
Turn it.
Yeah, and pull.
No, it's closed. Turn it the other way. Okay.
See?
Oh, and that's where all the money is, and that's where you get it from?
Yeah.
So put it back on. You put it back on. Okay, now close it.
But where you put it on?
Right there. Turn it. And close it. Okay, now let's fill it up with candy.
And after you do this, you will break the glass.
Yeah, if you do it too hard, it'll break the glass. It says, do not over tighten. Glass globe may break.
Yeah. And
So you need something to undo that? Oh,
no.
hold on.
Wait.
Let's use a penny to unscrew it. No, you're going the wrong way. Can you give it to me, please?
No.
Wait. No, a little bit more.
No.
Turn.
No.
Turn.
No.
Now try. There you go. Loosen it up. More. More. There you go.
Take this out.
Cool.
Now we fill it with Gumball.
Now you got to fill it up with gumballs. Now let's do this very slow, because what happened last time? Junior had a gumball machine last time. He decided to accidentally hit it and it broke. Open the bag.
Wait, you need some more here.
Okay, open the bag.
See?
Okay.
Full soda.
Oh, look at all those gumballs.
Yeah, you help me.
You're just going to pour them in there? Do it like this. My hands are clean.
Why the put it in the hole? Why you put it in the hole?
Why you can put it what?
Why put them in the hole?
Because that's where they go.
In the hole?
So they can come down when you put the money in.
You don't so fast, so you're dropping them all.
I'm not dropping them. Trying to help you fill it up. Wow, that's a lot of gumballs.
I said you need a lot of Gumball.
You want to fill it all the way up to the top?
No.
Whoa, I'm dropping them. Why not?
Whoa, here. What's it? Why?
Are we filling it all the way up to the top?
No.
Why?
No.
Yes.
No.
How much more then?
What? Here.
Well, that's to the top.
Huh?
Move your finger. Well, that's to the top. Whoa.
Hey, you're dropping them. Wow!
Here, put this gumball machine on top of here. Move that box closer to you. Move the box closer to you.
How?
Move the box closer to you.
Like this?
Yes.
Okay, what?
Okay, leave it right there. Is it sturdy? Just don't want it to fall.
You have to put one time.
No, not one at a time. That'll take too long.
Hold it. Hold it to me. Woo!
Yeah?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. I got it. Almost there.
Yeah, hold it.
Okay, can you hold it for me so I can do some?
Maybe you hold it to me.
Hold it.
Maybe I hold the back and I hold the back.
Hold it. Don't drop it.
Oh, I got it.
Whoa, they're falling out. They keep hitting the middle.
That one down there.
No, it's right there on the box.
There.
Next to the box. Okay, I think that's enough. You think? Yeah, look at it. It's getting to the very top.
Yeah,
Okay, now you put the lid on and then the little screw.
yeah, why? See you. See that hole?
Yes.
That hole here. Let me show you. That you have to do it and the put it right.
Okay.
And do that. And see the hole right there?
Yes.
You that hole down there. Watch. See?
Okay.
And turn it right forward.
So you turn it until it gets a little tight?
That should be enough.
Yes.
Yep.
Okay. So let's see. Here's a penny right here on the bed. Hold it. Here's that money. And let's get a little bit more change. Okay, go ahead.
Why? See, you did that money here. And what? Go somewhere with magic. Ta-da!
Oh, wow. What color did you get?
Green.
Oh, good job.
After you reap them, we should do some more and reap them in you.
Yeah?
Yeah. See?
Wow, purple one.
Purple.
Uh-oh, your money fell out.
Oh, really?
How many are you going to get? Okay, that's it.
Oh, yeah. Watch. Yeah. Every turn it right there. Every turn right there. You put them in.
No, it's not in there, right?
And you turn it.
There, now it's in there. Now turn it.
After you put that one there, you turn it.
Okay.
Okay. See, watch it. Oh!
Oh, cool.
Red
It's a pink one.
and pink. White.
White one, last one.
And this is a big one.
Okay, let's see.
I want to be. Give me try to this. What 10? Give me try to this. With the 10.
Come on, put it in. Turn it. And then you have to try to taste. You have to taste the gum after. Come on, turn it.
You should. Tell us what's in my eye.
Okay, close your eyes. Turn. What color you think it's gonna be?
Blue.
Okay, let's see. Turn. It's a white one.
Oh, white I did.
Okay, take them out. Let's see you eat them. Tell me if they're good.
Okay. We just I eat purple.
Purple.
But after you eat the bit, then you should swallow it.
No, you're not supposed to swallow your gum. Do not tell kids to swallow their gum. It is bad for them. Eat your gum. Taste it. Good?
It tastes like purple grape.
Purple grape? Oh, wow. Say, okay, thank you for watching
Thank you for watching.
Junior's World.
My